Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Porsche 911 GT3 and this is by Hotwheels from their Forza set, and this is the 2023 set. So let's unbox this and see how this one actually looks. Even I'm honestly curious to unbox this. I don't know, there is some sticker here. It is mentioned as R. It is in literally all the cars which I have in this set. So I'm just going to leave it as it is. I don't know what it means. See, back then these castings were 249, so now the price is 299. I mean, the semi premiums are okay. So here is the card art. The card art actually looks really nice. Okay, let me just put this aside. So here is the casting itself. So out of the box, the casting looks really nice. I mean, you can see a little bit of scratches in the windshield. Again, this is specific to mine. It won't be for everyone. So it has acrylic headlights here. That is really neat. And the wheels are pretty standard, but it has taillight details as well. You can see the Xbox logo here. So the body is fully metal, including this spoiler here that is molded with this body, and you can see the Forza livery here. So if you guys remember, I did unbox one more Forza set like long way back, like during 2023 itself. So that was actually 2022 or 2021 set, which I actually bought in Muscat. So luckily I was able to get all the five of that set at that point of time. I did unbox that. That particular livery was really awesome. That was like a white with, I think, black or blue mix. That was so really cool. Okay, so the chassis is fully plastic. The chassis has a little bit of detailing to it, including this exhaust here. That is really nice. So it has interior detail to it, which looks really good. Again, the steering wheel is a block. So not too well detailed, but it is there. Okay, it has door handle detailing here, which is really good. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. It feels a bit heavy. 30 grams. Okay, 35 grams, not bad. Let's do a roll test. Okay, that rolls really well. Okay, got it. So that rolls really well, and you can see the Forza logo here on the roof as well. Okay, so let's rate this casting now. Okay, it has all the necessary details to it for a semi-premium, and it even rolls good. So a 10 out of 10 for this. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.